Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn the best way how to design an app using Claude Code. And the technique is really simple. What we will do is we will first structure everything based on my techniques, and then we will start based on that structure. So let me share my screen. So the structure is going to be really simple. We will have main.html file, and another is shared directory where we will see everything like CSS, and we will have another directory, we'll call it screen, where we will have all of the screen codes. So it will make easy for LLM to write code and design the app really easily and effectively. So now we understand the structure. Let's go ahead and open Claude Code. We are going to increase the size. We'll say Claude. I like minus. I like to give it that way because I don't want to enter, like each time it's asking me, do you want me to hit this command or not? So I have given it full permission as of now so that it can continue running some commands. So now I'm giving it a structure like which we just explained. So this is that file which I have explained to you. I have given that file to Claude Code and say I wanted to design an app for a simple to-do list app. HTML will import all of the screens so that I can see it on one Chrome tab, and also the shared directory will contain all of the CSS. Screens directory will contain all of the screens, so that way it will be easy for you to code properly. Load brainstorm MCP so that I can give you all of the answer, and then you can make a plan and continue. So why I told it to load MCP for like brainstorming MCP, because it will have all of the instructions that will help me to help Claude to understand what I'm saying, and it will ask few questions from me, and then it will make a space which is kind of doc plan, and then it will start. So it's already saying that before we dive into question, one quick offer, or you can use other MCP, but let's stick with the brainstorm. So it's now asking questions. So let's go with the minimal. It should be simple design. It should be a simple design and really quick to build, so that I can demonstrate how we can design an app using Claude Code capabilities. I'm giving it an answer. Now it has the structure which I have explained to it. So I'm saying go for the implementation. So when you're using Brainstorm, it will ask you to run its sub-agent, because 4.7 have the capability to run multiple agents on time and inline. So I will really go for the sub-agent because it will launch multiple agents to do the task, and it's quick and efficient as well. It will create a task for himself like this, and then we'll go ahead with that. So let's go ahead. This task is complete. Let's open the work which has done. As of now, we will just open And look, amazing UI, really simple and functional as well. Look, I can write a task, I can add it, complete and not complete. So it's just like designing is so much easy with those things. If you like this video, next step what I'll do is I'll share how we can share this design with the other person without giving them the code or without giving them the source code. So subscribe for more so that you can get more information about it.